Hello students, let us read this question. Find the interval in which the function f is given by f of x, 2x square minus 3x is a increasing and b decreasing. So in this question we have given a function f of x equals to 2x square minus 3x. We need to find out the interval in which the function is increasing and decreasing. And in order to check whether the function is increasing or decreasing, we need to find out the first order derivative of the function. And if it is increasing in a particular range, if it is greater than 0, first order derivative is greater than 0 in particular range, we can say that in that interval the function is increasing. And if the first order derivative is less than 0, we can say that the function is decreasing in that range. So the function we have given is f of x equals to 2x square minus 3x. So if we find out the first order derivative, this will be 4x minus 3. Now to check whether it is increasing or decreasing, we will equate this with equal to 0. So 4x minus 3 equals to 0. So therefore 4x equals to 3, or we can say that x is equals to 3 upon 4. So if we draw the number line here, so it will be from minus infinity to plus infinity, and 3 by 4 will come on this side. So we can say that this is our minus infinity to 3 by 4 interval, and this is our 3 by 4 to plus infinity interval. So let us check in which interval the function is increasing. So let us assume let us take minus infinity to 3 pi by 4. So our f dash of x in this interval is 4x minus 3. So since our x is between minus infinity to 3 by 4, let us assume that let x is equal to 0. So f dash of x will be 0 minus 3, which is minus 3. So that means f dash of x comes out to be 0. And since f dash of x is less than 0, we can say that therefore f of x is decreasing in minus infinity to 3 by 4 range. And similarly, if we take the second interval 3 by 4 to infinity, for this also our f of x is 4x minus 3. So let us assume x equals to 1. So our f dash of x will be 4 minus 3, which is 1. It is greater than 0. So therefore our f dash of x comes out to be greater than 0. And since f dash of x is greater than 0, we can say that f of x is increasing in the range 3 by 4 to infinity. So we have found out that the function is decreasing in the interval minus infinity to 3 by 4, and f of x is decreasing in minus infinity to 3 upon 4, and f of x is increasing in 3 by 4 to infinity. So we have found out the interval in which the function is decreasing or increasing. So I hope you have understood well, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.